Hey everyone, in this explainer, we're diving into the massive showdown between vision and API agents. So are those cool, human-like browser agents secretly wrecking your cloud budget? Well, let's look at the data. Wow, a recent benchmark showed a crazy 45 times token penalty for relying on visual web interactions. Yep, that's 53 messy visual steps compared to just 8 precise steps using an API. You're literally burning 500,000 extra tokens to do the exact same administrative task. Nuts, right? The result? Visual processing took 17 agonizing minutes, while the API crushed it in just 8 seconds. So what gives? Why does reading screen pixels cost so much more than just reading code? Well, feeding just one 1080p screenshot to an advanced model eats up almost 2,800 tokens instantly. And those costs snowball. Hidden multipliers hit you every single time the agent takes a new screenshot. This crazy visual overhead actually makes highly efficient smaller models like Claude Haiku completely collapse. Guessing pixels is super fragile. It just can't beat the rock-solid reliability of fetching structured JSON data. Enter the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. It's the ultimate fix for this clunky visual web scraping. Basically, think of MCP as the USB-C port for AI. It's a universal plug-and-play standard. API-first agents completely bypass those fragile interfaces, speaking a universal language that drops latency like a rock. To avoid hidden debt, engineering leaders have to calculate the true cost using these 4 vital variables. Now, visual models aren't useless, but save them as an absolute last resort for closed legacy systems. Before building, assess your system control, task structure, and frequency. Find your optimal, debt-free path. So, is your AI agent actually generating ROI or just eating it? Time to build API first.